Hello my dear student, in this video lecture I will explain you two topics: solution of linear equation in one variable as well as solution of linear equation in two variables. Now see, why these two topics are very important? Because these two topics will help you in solving questions of exercise 4.2. So it is very necessary to have a very good understanding of these two topics. ठीक है, तो देखो, what is the first one? First one is solution of linear equation in one variable. So first thing is, I am writing a linear equation in one variable. Now there are two ways of finding solution of linear equation in one variable. तो देखो, सबसे पहला तरीका क्या है? The first way is that replace this x by such a real value so that left hand side and right hand side becomes equal. Replace this x by such a real value so that left hand side and right hand side becomes equal. तो देखो, suppose if I replace this x by -1, so on solving, on right hand side what is over here? 0. On left hand side -1 plus 1, this will give you 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this means that -1 is solution of this given linear equation in one variable. So this is one way of finding solution. ठीक है, अच्छा, अब देखो, what is the other way? What is written over here? X plus 1 equals 0. I am again writing x plus 1 equals 0. So if you want to find the solution of this linear equation in one variable, you just need to find the value of x. आपको x का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. तो देखो, मैं यहाँ लिख देता हूँ, दिस इज द सेकेंड मेथड. सो हाउ टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x? शिफ्ट दिस +1 टूवर्ड्स राइट हैंड साइड, इट विल बिकम नेगेटिव. सो x इज इक्वल टू -1. सो -1 ओवर हियर इज द solution of this linear equation in one variable. Okay, some more example देख लो. Suppose if I write 2x plus 1 equals 0. What I've written? 2x plus 1 equal 0. अब इसका भी solution निकालते हैं. ठीक है, now by what value this x must be replaced so that this whole LHS becomes 0. तो देखो, if I replace this x by -1/2, so 2 will get cancelled, -1 plus 1, so 0 is equal to 0. So this -1/2 is the solution of given linear equation in one variable. Now the other way is, the second way is, now what is written over here? 2x plus 1 equals 0. Again I am writing 2x plus 1 equals 0. आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है? If you want to find the solution, what you have to do is you just have to calculate the value of x. So how to calculate the value of x? Transfer this +1 towards right hand side, it will become -1. So x, now this 2 will be transferred over here, so -1/2 is the solution of this linear equation in one variable. अच्छा, तो अभी तो हमने solution निकाला. अब क्वेश्चन ये उठता है that how many solutions are possible in linear equation in one variable. So what you will answer? You will answer that only one solution is possible in linear equation in one variable, or you can say unique solution. A linear equation in one variable has only one solution or unique solution. So what we can write in the end? That linear equation in one variable has unique solution. Unique means only one. So in this way, right now I have explained you how to find solution of linear equation in one variable. Okay, please note it down. Next topic is solutions of linear equation in two variables. Now first I am writing a linear equation in two variable. See, this is a linear equation. Why? Because maximum power of x over here is 1 as well as maximum power of y over here is 1. तो मतलब इनका डिग्री 1 है. This means that this is a linear equation in two variables. और देखो, it is also written in the form of ax plus by plus c equals 0. Now again there are two methods for finding the solutions of linear equation in two variables. देखो, तो first method क्या है? First write variables one side and shift this constant on the other side. पहले इसको shift कर दिया. Okay. Now there is a question for you that by what real value this x and y must be replaced so that this left hand side on solving becomes equal to 2. हम x और y को किस रियल वैल्यू से रिप्लेस करें कि उसे सॉल्व करने के बाद हमारा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड भी 2 के इक्वल आ जाए. तो देखो, सपोज इफ आई रिप्लेस x by 0 and y by 2, then what you can see that LHS and RHS both are equal. This means that this 0, 2 is a solution of this linear equation in two variables. देखो, in linear equation in two variables we write solution in the form of ordered pair. Now what is ordered pair? I have told you in coordinate geometry that in ordered pair x coordinate is written first followed by y coordinate. So over here x, we have replaced this x by 0 and we have replaced this y by 2. So 0, 2 is a solution of this linear equation in two variables. पर अब यहाँ पर अभी बात ख़त्म नहीं हुई है. अब क्वेश्चन ये उठता है कि दैट इन लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल इज़ ओनली वन सोल्यूशन पॉसिबल. तो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. देखो, नाउ नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हाट आई विल डू इज़, सपोज नेक्स्ट टाइम आई एम रिप्लेसिंग दिस x. फिर से पहले मैं इस इक्वेशन को लिख देता हूँ. I am replacing this x by 2 and this time I am replacing this y by 0. तो देखो, फिर से अगर आप सॉल्व करते हैं so you'll get 2 equal to, this means LHS is again equal to RHS. This means that this 2, 0, देखो, what is x coordinate this time? 2, and what is y coordinate this time? 0. So this 2, 0 is also a solution of this linear equation in two variables. अच्छा, अब देखो इस तरह से. अब देखो यहाँ पर अगर हम if I replace this x by 1 and y by 1 over here, then again 1 plus 1 will become 2. So 0, 2, 2, 0, 1, 1. इस तरह से तो बहुत सारे solutions मिलेंगे यहाँ पर, है कि नहीं? तो in general what we can say that for each real value of x we will get a corresponding value of y and vice versa. उल्टा भी हो सकता है, हम y को रखते आएंगे तो x मिलता जाएगा. So over here what we can say is that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. आई बात समझ में? अच्छा, तो देखो, मैंने कहा था कि इसके दो मेथड्स हैं सोल्यूशन निकालने के. एक और मेथड समझ लेते हैं. यहाँ पर अपन लिख देते हैं लीनियर इक्वेशन in two variables have infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions. Okay. Now there is one more method of finding the solution. देखो, फिर से मैं यही इक्वेशन लिख रहा हूँ x plus y equal to, ठीक है. Now again suppose if you want to find the solution, the other method is like this. First draw a box like this और इस बॉक्स में partitions कर दीजिए like this. Write x over here and y over here. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. Okay, now we are going to find solutions over here. So suppose first I am replacing this x by 0. So if I am replacing this x by 0, then I'll calculate y. So 0 plus y is y. So y is how much? 2. So what is the first solution over here? 0, 2. So this is the solution 0, 2. Now next time what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace y by 0 and this time I will calculate the value of x. So now I am replacing y by 0. So see, x plus y is replaced by 0. So this time the value of x will be 2. So the other solution will be 2 comma 0. Okay, now next time I am replacing x by 1. Suppose I am replacing x by 1 over here. तो देखो 1 plus y equal to, now we are going to calculate the value of y. So and for that this 1 will be shifted towards right hand side. So y is equal to 2. Over here this 1 is positive, and over that side this will become negative. So y is equal to 2 minus 1, this will give you y is equal to 1. So the third solution is 1 comma 1. In the same manner, for each value of x there will be a corresponding value of y, and vice versa. So what we can say that a linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. ठीक है, तो देखो फिर से हम एक बार रिवाइज कर लेते हैं that in this video lecture we have started with the topic solution of linear equation in one variable. तो one variable में हमने आपको क्या बताया था that one variable has only one solution or unique solution. One variable has only one solution, or you can say unique solution. And for two variables there are infinitely many solutions possible. Okay, so in this way we have completed this lecture. I hope you have understood it. Now see, if you have a better grip of this lecture, then you can easily solve questions of exercise 4.2. Please note it down.